Okay, people, this is Marvely Myers, your blogger from Alma Grove. I've just spoken to my brother, and we're trying to put the world to rights. I'm trying to find my horoscope, and if I don't find it, so be it. I'm sending out a message to those people who are targeting my sons. Yes, my sons. Kevin Donovan Murray, Father Lloyd Anthony Nachi Murray, second son Valdin Alan Legister, Father Alvary Michael Legister. Tell the people them say I fi me picnic them and me carry them for 9 months. Give them titty till them win themselves. And do what I could for them. Whatever I could was the best that I could. Yeah? And leave them now. They're on their own. I've done my bit. I don't want to hear anybody threatening me picnic them. I feel me them. For if you threaten me picnic them, you have to go threaten me too. And I've gotten a lot of the threats. Yeah? Especially the nastiness that came out of Choro. So me no one day and I hear say no man I say oh him I go strip me boy naked. And do whatever with him. Okay? I know, mama, we no get back, mama, no ain't get back in money with Ashta take go out Bill Road for people take out cane. Me no get back for me when me send go. When me go mama funeral, me sit down pan Pansy veranda, me and Miss Nicey dead and gone, rest in peace, Miss Nicey. Pansy said to me, say, Ratty, any little bit you have, send you go come give Kevin. Me right Pandy, me put me money where me mouth is. Yeah. Money when fi go Westmoreland for them, for the young go see them a jump up and a go along so. Go looking at the paper. Yeah? My son create history like my brother before him create history. Yeah? For if it's a dog, the PNP put up them the time them a vote for the dog, then a vote for the LP. Yeah? So me give him me money with JLP when figgy see him like a how you see there. The reggae girls and the, and the sunshine girl. Then they jump up and when they feel get money, they have to go beg. Me don't know if they want some of them when to go to night bicycle and what kind of bicycle. Cause that the JLP do and me not get back for me money yet. So no bother me. Yeah? No bother me. And it a go there for me them. For me them. Me decide if had the two number of them away in plan. But with my DNA, me say me nah hand no more for me no want no picnic council for like me. So remember, look on me face good. I am the mother of Kevin Donovan Murray, father Lloyd Anthony, aka Nachi Murray, Valdin Alan Legister, father Alvary Michael Legister, aka Humbug. Yeah, me, Mervily born, Ermin Mervily Ioni name hard. Take off the Ermin because me couldn't bother with the problem. Mervily Ioni Ratty name hard Myers Tamlins. Now that the name me I go through. Yes. And if me add another one later on, what go tap me from Adi? Me love man bad and good. It's not all about the titty. Companionship too. Mama never get a man when love after papa. But mama never forget my Victor when mama forget me in a dementia. That doesn't mean mama never love me. It just means that, you know, something that she wanted. She had me and she had everything I could give her. But the one thing she wanted, Mas Victor didn't give her. Yeah? But yes, the love was real. So alright, me gone, me say no more, little more. Me I post this right here now. Me could not know, say no trouble me picnic them. No trouble me picnic them. And me precious gift from God and them Father. Look for me good now. As I'm sexy and me old years now, me not so ugly again. Like when they used to say, my nose look like a foot, coming like a funnel gate. And how me ugly. Me going to the beautiful old. My God. Me I go come with something, so me I go have inspirational days. Days when we go back like how me just a tell Bally say teeth and tongue off him meat. Days when let me go.